Here's how I find the perfect campsite using the dirt. I start by looking up the location I want to go and choosing the dates for my trip. I can either find a free dispersed campsite or I can rent one. For this trip, I chose Winter Park, Colorado. I'm starting by going to the filter feature and checking the boxes on things I need for my trip, like a dog-friendly campsite and a spot to pitch my tent. Next, I look at the location of the campsites. I want to be close to town for easy access to hiking and biking trails. Based on the campsite description and photos, this looks perfect. I can bring my own food and water and sleep next to the river. It also looks like a great spot for my dog. Next, I make my list of camping gear and activities and head into the woods. Vasquez Ridge is a dispersed campsite, which means it's first come, first serve. I'm camping in the middle of the week before peak camping season, so I didn't have a problem finding a campsite when I arrived. If this is a worry, or if you're traveling far, booking a campsite in advance is a good idea. Now let's get to camping.